Large group of scientists launch campaign to save the Earth from deep space Earth impact. Asteroids experts all over the globe fear our planet sits in a shooting gallery of so-called near-Earth objects, or NEOs for short. Approximately 66 million years ago, one of these asteroids wiped out 2/3 of all life on the planet and ended the reign of the dinosaurs. Today, 4 new NEOs are discovered every single day, but many potential threats remain undetected, especially those objects coming from behind the sun, because the telescopes can't detect them from the sunshine. Now, the campaign, dubbed Support Hera and initiated by the co-founders of Asteroid Day, hopes to influence more researchers into safeguarding Earth from future impacts. Hera is a European Space Agency ESA's planetary defense and asteroid deflection mission, ran in partnership with U.S. Space Agency NASA. The campaign was launched recently at the Museum for Naturkunde in Berlin, Germany. Support Hera was launched with support from the Max Planck Institute for Solar System Research and the Observatoire de la Côte d'Azur in France. Asteroid Day co-founder Greg Richards said, "More than 1,200 prominent scientists and citizens from around the world have signed a letter in support of Hera because studying NEOs cannot be underappreciated, and the Hera mission is core to gaining the knowledge we need to detect and ultimately deflect dangerous asteroids headed towards our Earth." Let's remember a few days ago, an asteroid a quarter of the distance between the Earth and the Moon had been found 2 days after it passed our Earth. Now, during a press conference in Berlin, the campaign's organizers unveiled a letter to European ministers signed by more than 1,200 concerned individuals. The letter reads, "Unlike other natural disasters, an asteroid impact with Earth is not only one we know how to predict, but one we can prevent by means that just need to be tested. Today we are the first generation of humans who have the necessary technology to try to change the trajectory of an asteroid." According to the letter, asteroids upwards of 328 feet, that's 100 meters across, are large enough to cause severe damage over many thousands of square miles. But scientists have only uncovered less than 20% of these bodies in the solar system. Knowledge we need to detect and ultimately deflect dangerous asteroids headed towards Earth. Even an asteroid as small as 32 feet or 10 meters across can pack the punch of an atomic bomb if it strikes the planet. When an undetected 65.5-foot wide rock exploded over the skies of Russia, Chelyabinsk Oblast in 2013, it injured more than 1,000 people with shards of broken window glass. Missions like Hera and NASA's Double Asteroid Redirect Test, or DART mission, is to test our ability to push these rocky bodies away from the Earth before they hit us. The joint mission will target a 2,560-foot asteroid and a smaller 524-foot companion, and it was successful, we know. Hera principal investigator Dr. Patrick Michael said, "New NEOs are now being discovered at the rate of some 4 every single day." That's a lot. We need a coordinated international strategy for near-Earth object impact mitigation. He says the Hera and DART missions under the coordination AIDA collaboration of scientists will give us a unique possibility to test our capability to deflect an asteroid combined with fascinating science. Dr. Holger Sierks from the Max Planck Institute said, "It's now that we have the knowledge about the surface of comets and asteroids from space missions as Rosetta and Dawn, and based on this experience, we're best prepared for a mission on asteroid deflection." And according to NASA, the currently known asteroid count stands at 840,170. Most of these rocky objects are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Geologist Gisela Posca said, "For me, who lives in an impact crater, the race crater, the danger from space is very obvious. The race event destroyed an area from more than 4,500 cubic kilometers. That means if such an impact event would take place today on our Earth at the same place, the area which is located in a triangle made by the three big cities in southern Germany, Nuremberg in the northeast direction, Stuttgart in the west direction, and Munich in the southeast direction, all three cities are 100 kilometers away from the point of impact, would be wiped out, she said. And this is by Sebastian Ketley, Express UK, on Bended Reality. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.